Today I thought I'd do a video on how I make my French pressed coffee. This came to me because when we downsized, we could not fit all our household kitchen appliances into this little RV. So we thought, what are we gonna do? I love coffee. I have to have it just like everybody else to get their day started. So I decided to create this video. The joys of camping. Waking up in the morning, having fresh coffee. Wait a minute, nobody packed the coffee maker. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Ah! Dun dun dun! Camp coffee French pressed. Here's exactly how I do it. First step, get that kettle ready and boil up some water. Second, preheat your press. That way it gets hot. Just toss that water out before you're ready to add your grounds. Then add 4 full tablespoons of medium coursed ground coffee. I use a vegan version. If you want bolder coffee, you can certainly add 5 tablespoons, but I feel like 4 tablespoons creates a smooth, delicious blend with no bitter notes. Now, add your boiling water all the way to the lip of the press. It's not gonna break, so don't worry. I've done this many times. And now we are going to combine the fresh ground coffee to this hot boiling water and stir it. And the flavor aroma is amazing. But don't drink it just yet. We've got to wait. So let's put this lid on top, but do not push down on this press. Do not. Just put the lid on top and wait. You gotta wait for it to steep and for those beautiful flavors to combine and create this taste sensation that is worth waking up for. Hashtag coffee lovers. Now, after the 4 full minutes, slowly press down on the press all the way to the bottom, but slowly. This cannot be rushed. And we're slowly pressing all the grounds to the bottom, which allows for the perfect pour. Because watch this, as we pour our fresh pressed coffee, do you see any grounds? Do you? I double dog dare you to try and find one because there isn't any. It is perfect time after time after time. Just pour and serve. But the proof is in the taste. Smells amazing. No sediment because of the pressing. Oh, smooth. No bitter notes. Just a perfect cup of coffee. This tastes so much better to French press your coffee. So there you go. There's exactly how we do it. And for those of you out there that cannot do coffee black, no matter how hard you've tried, I've got the fix for you. This is my find. It's brought to you by Starbucks. It is plant-based. It's made of almond milk and just simple vegan ingredients. It is dairy-free if you have allergies to milk or dairy. It's only 30 calories. There's no cholesterol. And best of all, it's pumpkin spiced. Hashtag pumpkin spiced everything. I hope you liked this video. I hope you like my coffees. They were absolutely delicious. And if this video helped you in any way, please give me a like and a comment and check out my other videos. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, and leave us a comment. Let us know you're watching. Bye for now.